What is going on, guys? Sebastian Esqueda here. In this video, I'm going to break down my $100 a day strategy for starting a Shopify store. It's very simple, in my opinion, to create a store that does $100 a day, then $200 a day, then $1,000 a day, and so forth. I've created a store a few days ago, and we're doing around focus. This should be like $500 today. Yesterday we did 316. For the month, we're at like $700, so it's been going pretty good. Like I said, I just started it like 2 days ago, and we're already up to probably, I'll do like $500 today. So that's awesome that I'm able to do that. But I was once at the point where I did not exactly know how to run Facebook ads. Like a few months ago, that's literally where I was at. Now it's to the point where I can throw them up every single day and make money with them. So I want to get you guys from not knowing anything to knowing exactly how to run the Facebook ads. So that's what we're gonna try and do in this video. Let's get into it. Number one, you have to have a good product and offer before you even think of running good Facebook ads that are gonna be profitable. So what do I mean by that? One thing you can do is you can go do research on Facebook, type in like get yours here, and then look at videos that are posted on Facebook and try to see like trending videos that are posted recently, like maybe in the past month of May. Look at trendy videos that have tons of views and all of that stuff, because then that's how you know a product is maybe doing well. So you can type in like get yours here, 50% off, buy now, free shipping, all of that stuff, and then filter by videos, and then look at the videos that are trending, and then boom, you may find a product on that page. I know I've found products like that. I know you guys probably can. So yeah, number one, have to have a good product. You have to have a good website layout as well. So make sure you have a good theme. I personally use a custom theme. I don't have a theme that's on the Shopify App Store. I think or the Shopify Theme Store. I think they're all kind of not saturated, but it's just like everyone's kind of used to it. And obviously, I know there are YouTubers who talk highly of certain themes. Like I know Debut is a big one. I've used Debut and I've split tested it with this other theme that I use, and I personally like mine more. It looks more professional and it sells way better. So I prefer custom themes. That's just my opinion. And so you have to have a good theme and overall layout of your site to make it look branded. You don't want to look like a generic website that sells generic products. You want to make it look like you are kind of like a trailblazer for this product, and you are like the official seller of this product in a sense. If you guys get what I mean, like the goat case, like that's a good example. You want to brand it around a product to where you are like the, again, trailblazer of the product. The goat case was the one case that stuck to your wall. I believe that was it. Yes, I think that was it. And they were like that case, like everyone knew the goat case because it went completely viral. So you want to do something similar and set yourself up to be in a position to do something similar to that. So that's number two. You want to make sure your website is set up properly and looks good. All of your, like I won't get into everything, but generally just make sure it looks good, and make sure like if you went on the website, you would potentially buy from it, because then at that point you know that it's probably set up pretty decently. So that's number two. Number three is going to be obviously Facebook ads. I'm going to break down exactly how I test my products, test my ads, all of that stuff. It's pretty simple. I don't think it's too complicated. You literally, like I'm gonna go literally in depth. Okay, for campaigns, I set up direct to purchase. A lot of people set up for like view content or like per post engagement. They set up like post engagement ads first, and then they go like, they target like view content and then like initiate checkout, or view content, add to cart, then initiate checkout, then purchase. I think that's completely BS. Personally, like why would you ever optimize for add to cart? You don't want, ideally, like you don't want add to carts, you want purchases. So obviously if you sell, who is DMing me? I'm sorry for that, guys. Okay, obviously though, like you want add to carts because add to carts normally are a process of buying, but there are people who are just likely to add to cart and not likely to purchase. So then when you even try to create lookalike audiences for add to carts, it just won't convert because you're getting add to carts and not purchases. So that's, I think that's like very logical thought process of this whole strategy. So you want to run direct to purchase ads for campaign level. So campaign, turn on a campaign, run it for conversions, and then I just date it properly. So name it the date of today when you launch the campaign. And then in the campaign level, all of the ad sets, I launch 10 ad sets at $10 a day. Sometimes I'll go crazy and do like 5 ad sets or 6 ad sets at, or no, 8 ad sets at $25 a day, stuff like that. And then I will either take 10 interests and do 1 interest per ad set. Normally I like 1 million to 10 million range for size. I usually do either Big 5, United States, or worldwide. I split test all those, so I'll create 3 ad sets. Same exact interest, just split test the location, and then all age ranges, all genders, and then I again just do 1 interest. If it's over 5 million, I normally narrow by engaged shoppers, And then from there, I do, again, like $10 a day budget. I even go as far as going just Facebook ads and then just Facebook feed and then just Instagram feed on one ad. Like I have one ad set that's just Facebook feed. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, like go on Facebook ads and start creating an ad and you'll literally see exactly what I'm talking about. But for placement, sometimes I'll do just Facebook feed and then create a whole nother ad, split testing just Instagram feed, and then tweak the ad copy because you can't have, Instagram doesn't have links that you can click in the text. So you have to actually just create a shop now button, which is why I split test that, because if you have clickable links that aren't clickable on Instagram, it number one looks kind of trashy and it just doesn't convert as well as if you had your own ad created for an Instagram post rather than a Facebook post. So that's, again, I'll split test that stuff or I'll just run it all together. It still works fine. And then I literally just have a video, some text with some call to action, boom. That's like literally how I run my Facebook ads, like when I test products. 10 ads a day, 10 ad sets, $10 a day, $100 total. You should get like $100 in sales your first day, or maybe second day. If not, it's probably, the ads probably aren't good, and then you'll have to go and find different interests or even a different product. But yeah, that's like literally generally what I do for testing products. Like it's not difficult at all. And if you do the math, that's $700 a week. Most people have like $500 to $1,000 to spend on Facebook ads, which they would blow through their budget off of week one, which is why I think it's important to cash flow something, whether it's a job or another business that brings in money, so that you can then test and get things going before you actually decide like you want to quit your job or anything like that. Just because like you need money to test these products and test these ads. If you don't, you won't make money and you'll just like try and then you'll just blow through all your money and then go back to your basic way of living and not scaling a company to 6 figures and 7 figures and stuff like that, because it takes a lot of money. Like last month I probably spent like 80 grand on Facebook ads across my stores. That's like $1 million a month or $1 million a year, my bad. I'll spend over $1 million this year, but it's like you have to be in a position to be able to spend a lot of money, because if you aren't, you won't make a lot. You have to spend money to make money, obviously. But yeah, that's generally like my Facebook strategy. I literally gave you it. You kind of have no excuse now. You just have to have a good product and a good offer and you'll be good to go. I generally like doing 50% off or 75% off plus free shipping. That's always what those are kind of always my offers. Yeah, basically that's kind of my offer. So that's about it for this video, guys. I mean, like it's not too difficult. I gave you my blueprint for testing products. So now go out, create ads, launch them at midnight, because Facebook ads run based on calendar day. So they'll start spending, if you turn them on at 11 p.m., they'll spend your whole budget by midnight. So don't do that, launch them at midnight, let them run, and yeah, see where you go from there. If you guys have any questions or concerns, you can drop them in the comment section below. And I am starting to take on people for one-on-one mentorship and like consulting calls and all that stuff. So you can always DM me on Instagram at TMP if you guys would like to get one of those or get mentored by me, stuff like that, because then I'll just go more in depth. I include a winning product, I include my custom theme and everything like that. With all of the mentorship and all that stuff. So if you guys want to get into that, again, DM me on Instagram at TMP. Other than that, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Hope you guys did enjoy this. Like, it was very simple for me to film this because I launch ads every single, every single day. So it's very easy for me to talk about this subject. Again, if you guys have any questions, drop those in the comment section below. I'm going out of town Thursday and then out of the country on Sunday, I believe. So I'll be filming some pretty cool content moving forward. But other than that, again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.